If you don't want your friend should know whom you are following, then there is one setting I am going to tell you on Instagram. Open this Instagram, then go to this last tab, then go to this three lines. It will loading, then scroll down and scroll down to go to account privacy. Here you will see private account setting. You need to switch this on. It would ask you switch to private account. You could have to click on switch to private. It says creator profile cannot be private. So first of all you have to go to your account. You have to go to account type and to click over there. Here you will see account type. This is professional. You need to click on it. You need to switch your account to personal account. You need to click over there. Here you will see switch to business account or personal account. You need to click on personal account. Switch to personal. And then go back. Here you will see account privacy. Click on this. Now click on private account. Click on switch to private. Now your account is completely private. No one will be knowing whom you are following. In this way you can protect your account.